Welcome to the fifth segment in our six-part series, New Year, New You. Today's focus, maintaining momentum. Back again this morning, Ben Glinsky, the CEO for Skinny Body, and Tandy Caldwell, who has an inspiring weight loss story to share with us. Ben, it's so great to have you back. And Tandy, it is so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I love this accent. We're gonna hear from you in a minute. Now, Ben, a person's attitude really affects the outcome and their ability to reach their goals. How does this apply to women who, you know, their goal is to lose weight and then keep it off?
Well, we all know that attitude is always important to achieving anything. The challenge with so many women is they've tried 5, 10, 20 different weight loss products and programs, so it's hard to get excited and have a good attitude starting another one. The exciting thing about this product is that it works. And so once people start using it, and oftentimes they go in skeptical, not expecting it to actually get results since everything else has failed, and then the attitude starts to build and the results accumulate even more.
That's great. And Tandy, you've been able to lose weight and keep it off despite challenges, and you've maintained your momentum, which is so great. What do you owe your success to?
I owe it to Skinny Fiber. I owe
Really?
it to the product. I've tried everything, and until now, only Skinny Fiber has worked for me.
Why do you think that is?
Well, it's an easy plan to follow. It's just 2 capsules before your biggest meals with a glass of water. So it's very simple and easy to use. It's not complicated.
That's the key. Ben, what makes this product different from other products on the market, in your opinion?
Well, so many people think that the key to losing weight is diet and exercise. And those things are always important to your health. The challenge is, for many people, it's not enough, and that's why so many people struggle. What Skinny Fiber has that very few, if any, other products have is digestive enzymes. And the reason for that is because our bodies are not always ready to lose that extra weight. In other words, the fat on our body is there for a reason. It's to protect us from other health challenges. The digestive enzymes in Skinny Fiber help address those to make losing weight not only possible, but easy.
Wow. Now, Tandy, in your opinion, what are some typical struggles and challenges that women face when they're trying to lose weight?
I find that for most women, time is the biggest factor. They're working, they get off late, it's easy to go through and get fast food.
Yep.
They may not have the support system there that they need. And I think that's probably the biggest issues that women face.
Those are big issues.
Time, motivation, and not having a support system.
Absolutely. Ben, you hear from women, I'm sure, all the time. What is the feedback that you most get about your product?
My favorite feedback is when people tell me they've tried everything else on the market, like Tandy, and nothing else worked, and finally they're getting results with Skinny Fiber.
That's some good feedback. Now, Tandy, I know you've had some real health challenges, and so tell me about that and then how you were able to incorporate the product into your life.
Well, I was born with a heart condition, so that limited my options.
Right.
Had a heart procedure done, and it did improve my health, but not to the point where I could exercise. I was depressed. I felt horrible, so I began to overeat, and I didn't have any energy. So I saw Skinny Fiber and decided to try it. It was the best decision I ever made because at that point, it got my body ready to lose weight. The first week, I lost right around 10 pounds.
Oh my
In the
goodness.
90-day challenge, I lost 44 pounds, and I've lost 74 pounds just since I started in June. When I started the product, I was on 12 medications, and I was seeing a cardiologist. So with his supervision, he approved Skinny Fiber.
That's amazing.
It was, and I was just so relieved to find something that I could use and that to see results, to fit into jeans that I wore in high school.
Right.
It was amazing.
Well, that is a success story if I've ever heard one. Ben, so important, how can people find Skinny Fiber?
Well, we have distributors all over the world. If you know someone who sells Skinny Fiber, you can certainly order through them.
Thank you both. So great to have you with us today. Okay, stay motivated, ladies. Never give up on your important weight loss goals. Visit us at thebalancingact.com. Of course, we always love to hear from you. Share your weight loss successes and your concerns. Log on to Facebook /The Balancing Act Fans.